What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Feature Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your filters for your LG PuriCare AeroTower purifying fan. Now, before we get deep into the video, make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome and helpful videos like this. Let's get into it. The first way you can reset your filter is by using the control panel up top, but you need to make sure that the fan is powered on. So let's do that now. Now, once it is powered on, you're going to find your auto and your oscillation. And once you do find those two, you're going to hold both of them for 3 seconds until you hear another beep. And there you go. That's how to reset the filter through the actual control panel on top of the fan. Now let me show you how to do it on your phone. Once you're in the LG ThinQ app, you can then select your fan. And then once you're in the main menu for your fan, you're going to head to the top right where you see those 3 dots. Now we're going to press on that, and then as you can see right here, there's filter management. We're going to press on filter management, and then you're going to have the option to filter reset. So we're going to press on that. Now it says after replacing the filter, press reset. We're going to press reset. You're going to hear the beep, and you're all set. So this was my video on how to reset your filters for your LG PuriCare AeroTower purifying fan. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.